This video will show you how to change the stay duration of a reservation. Hotelogix lets you easily change the check-in and check-out dates of a reservation. Let us see how. Right-click the reservation that you wish to change the stay dates. Click View Details in the context menu that opens. The reservation opens in a new tab. Click Enable Editing to make any changes. Click the check-in date icon. Select the new check-in date. An alert appears. Changing dates may affect the applied rates. Click OK to continue. Similarly, click the checkout date icon to change the checkout date. An alert appears. Click OK to continue. Note: Hotelogix automatically updates the tariff and taxes as per the change in dates. Any add-ons or inclusions like breakfast, pick up and drop also update automatically as per the new dates. Click the Save button. The updated reservation will flash as it saves successfully. This brings us to the end of the video on how to change the stay dates or duration of a reservation.